So we have a MSI Ventus 2x black 4060. You got 2 sticks of 16 gigs random RAM, very slow, 2666 I think, and Origin SSD. Right, that won't focus, but it's fine. I'll give it one good thing. It's got pretty good spread of thermal paste, as you can see right there. Yeah, pretty decent build. Nothing too great, I will say. The case is on the floor right here, and pretty sure the PS2 is just a random brand. So the reason